Hi and welcome back to Chicane, John here. Just a few tips about winter storage for your cars. Season's nearly over, unfortunately, end of September. So you were thinking about putting our cars back into storage or in your garage at home. So just a few tips so your car's going to be ready for when you dig it out in the spring. Pump the tyre pressures up. On a classic, maybe 40 psi, on a more modern one, maybe 50 psi. Make sure you've got no more than about a quarter of a tank of fuel, because modern fuels go off, and when you dig it out in the spring you want to top it up with fresh fuel and use the car so it mixes up with the old stuff. Also the battery on a modern car, so anything DB7 onwards, put it on trickle charge. Any of the classic stuff, just turn off the master switch. The battery will be fine for a few months just turned off. So that's just a few tips to look after your cars for the next 3, 4, 5 months before the good weather comes back and we dig them out for another session. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great winter, look after your cars for the next few months, and we'll see you in spring. If you have any questions, please contact us, email or give us a call. We're here to help.